channel. I haven't filmed in the longest time ever. I'm in the middle of editing a makeup tutorial, but my MacBook is about to die and there's no power, but it should be back in like a second or something. But anyway, I'm doing a haul today because I have accumulated a couple of things in the last couple of days, maybe like 2 weeks, but most of them are in the last couple of days because I am on my way. I'm going to Cape Town on Tuesday. It is Sunday today, so I've gotten quite a lot of stuff, some of them for the trip, but most of them were like just like random things that I bought. But I hadn't had time to film this, and every time I went to film, the weather was so bad. And even today, the weather is like really bad. Like there was sun just now, and now the lighting's like dimmed like 50% because the sun's gone now. But anyway, it's been raining the entire day, like raining and stopping and raining and stopping. Anyway, so this haul, I think it's probably going to be split into 2 parts. I just don't know how to divide them. I'm going to show you like it's clothes and shoes and all that fun stuff, and then there's also some like what is this, toiletries. Anyway, I think I'll do the toiletries first. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is probably my favorite thing, well, you know, whatever, but it's this Good Times Bubbly Celebration shimmer lotion. I saw this at Clicks on my way to go pay, and I'm like, oh, shimmer lotion, like I love anything that has glitter or anything. But I did show this in my vlog, the vlog that should have gone up before this video. So if it's up, I will leave it down below. If it's not, it's coming. So I do show this, and I show the shimmer because you're pretty far away right now. That's for the clothes, but it's so beautiful. It's like a gold shimmer, so the shimmers are very fine. It's not glitter, it's shimmer. So you rub it on your hand and the shimmers are really, really fine, but the light catches them really, really nicely. So the lotion is like a whitish color. It's like lotion color, but as you rub it in, it starts to turn gold, which is really, really cool. Yeah, I got that at Clicks. I have no idea how much it cost. I don't have the receipt. I believe it was below 50 rand. I know it was below 50 bucks. I just can't remember what the exact price was. And then another thing that I got from Clicks is this tissue oil by Clicks. This is just regular tissue oil, nothing fancy about it. Yeah, 200 mils. I think it was about 100 bucks, 110 bucks, nothing below 130. So that's that. I'm actually gonna put them on this side. And then what else I got from Clicks? Nothing else. So the rest of these things I got from Dis-Chem. So from Dis-Chem, one of the things I got is the Garnier Micellar Water. Now I got this, I'm pretty sure like more than 5 months back, because I have stopped using it because it kind of hurts my eyes. I don't know why. I even tried the blue one, but that one burns, it stings even more. So this one is for sensitive skin, but it still hurts. I want to try the Nivea micellar water because I know they came out with one, and yeah, we'll just see. I'll have to try a lot of them. I know Aven has one, Bioderm has one, so I'll kind of just have to keep trying different ones to see which one I like. But I had already repurchased the full size one before the other one started hurting me. Another one is sitting right there. But yeah, I did get that, so I'm going to take that with me. Let's put that over there. And then another thing that I got from Dis-Chem is Epimax. Now, usually, okay, if you hear like a little buzzing sound outside, it's because the neighbors have a generator and it makes the loudest noise, but whatever. So from Dis-Chem, I got Epimax. So I have really, really sensitive skin, and in order to ensure that it doesn't break out or anything like that, this is what I use. I use this on my body, but it is perfect for my face as well. But yeah, I use this on my body and my face actually, because yeah, this is my face lotion. It's just a tiny version of this big yellow one. So I use this for my body and my face. And then this blue one is a foot cream, which is perfect because I love keeping my feet moisturized. So this is just like a dual package. I think it was like 55 bucks. But yeah, that I'm taking with. And then another thing that I got was the Pro Glide Sport Anti-Chafe Cream, and this is just a chafing cream for in between my thighs when I'm wearing shorts or something like that, or when I don't want to wear shorts and I just don't want my thighs to get like chub rub or something. So this is perfect. I usually use a different one that I bought from a different store, but that was because I didn't know Dis-Chem sold them, and that's because they put them in the wrong place. But anyway, this one looks cool. It says water resistant, sweat resistant, non-staining, non-greasy, which is perfect. I'm excited to try this out. I haven't tried it out yet, so we'll see how that goes. And another thing I got was these, no. Then another thing I got was this Good Stuff Rock and Rooibos Fine Fragrance Body Mist. It is the Rooibos and Pink Jasmine scent. It smells amazing, you guys. Like, I smelled that one, the one that sounded appealing. I smelled that one, and it smelled like a toilet spray. And then my sister grabbed this one that says Rooibos and Pink Jasmine, and I would have never gravitated towards this one. I wouldn't even have smelled it if it wasn't for my sister. And she like sprayed it, and she said, oh my gosh, smell this one, it smells amazing. So I did, and it smells incredible. It's such a yummy smell. It smells yummy, but I don't know how long it lasts. I don't think it lasts that long because, you know, I don't know. But I wore it the other day. It didn't last throughout the day, but it's a nice, like, a little spritz to put on, you know, if you're running out of the house, or to keep in your bag. And you can just keep spritzing it during the day. That would be perfect. And then another thing that I got from Dis-Chem, these Nivea cleansing wipes. These are the face wipes that I use. I ran out of my I ran out of my Neutrogena ones, the blue ones. So before I bought those, I used to use these, but I used to use the pink one, and that one's for sensitive to dry skin, I believe. And I have oily skin. Well, it's not oily like initially, but it gets oily throughout the day. So I want to try this one. This is for normal to combination skin, and it removes makeup and even waterproof mascara. So I just got these for my makeup wipes. And then my mom picked up this brush. It's just a hairbrush. It's from the brand Freestyle, and I love this brush. Like, I actually genuinely love this brush. It is so nice. I actually want to buy one for myself, and I believe it's like $60 at Dis-Chem. But we bought it at Pick and Pay for a shit ton of money more than at Dis-Chem. So get it at Dis-Chem if you want it. So yeah, that's from Pick and Pay. So is this Good Stuff spritzer, but I know they have that at Dis-Chem. And then the last toiletry bit that I got is my face wash. This is the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. This is the face wash that I use every morning, and then when I take off my makeup, if I'm wearing makeup that day, every night. So I use this every morning and every evening. I love this stuff. My face loves this stuff, so I don't want to change it up ever. My face has been amazing ever since I started using this, so I love it. I just repurchased this one. I'm still using the first one that I bought, which I bought like 3 months ago. We have strangers in our house. Please, if you hear like noises that aren't me, it's because there are strangers in our house. But anyway, yo, I'm done. I'm actually gonna show you the gift that I got really quickly. I'll put that in here. So the last thing that I'm gonna show you is this giveaway gift thing that I got. I entered a competition that Lachelle was holding. Lachelle Aldridge, I don't know, one of them, but it's the same person. She just got married. So she was holding a giveaway. She was holding a couple of giveaways for her birthday, and I entered them, and I actually won one of the giveaways, which is pretty cool. I've never won. Actually, I always win. So woo, that sounded cocky. I'm not cocky, I swear. Okay, let's try that again. I was really happy to win this gift. So it is the Terry Mugler sounds more expensive, so we'll go with that. It's this perfume. It smells incredible, actually. It's a nice like everyday perfume. Like, I wouldn't I wouldn't mind using it every day. Not really what I go for. I love sweet scents, but this smells lovely. My mom actually loves it. She's just like, what? When I went to go pick up the package at... Oh, it smells amazing, you guys. When I went to go pick up the package at PostNet, she's just like, oh, what's in this massive box? It was a massive box. It wasn't really that massive, actually. I'm just exaggerating. But it was a pretty big box. And she's like, what's in there? Let's see. And I had to open it while we were in the parking lot waiting to go out to go watch our movie. She's like, open it, I want to see. And I opened it and it smells incredible, you guys. And I love the packaging and everything. And then this I love the most. This is the body butter? Body cream, yes. Radiant body cream. Love this packaging, love these colors. I'm obsessed. So it's in this gloss what is it, container? It's gloss, you guys, like it's heavy, and it's this thick body cream. I'm just gonna show you, like, do you see that? It smells, oh, it smells really nice. I'm gonna put some on my hand because I've not used it before. So that's how that packaging looks. It's the same. It's written like the perfume, and this is stunning. I love that. And it's got a couple of glitters running through, I believe, just a little bit. It smells really lovely. That is really nice. So I got that from Michelle, and she had it in this cute bag with this very pretty what is this? I like to call it sugar paper, but I know it's not. But I believe it's tissue paper. Beautiful color. I took tons of photos. So the last thing I'm going to show you is something that I purchased at Edgar's. I've been wanting this for quite some time. I mentioned it to my mom a while back because I smelled it on my best friend. Well, my best friend, yes, my best friend from diapers. So I smelled it on her and her mom, and I was like, so, you guys smell amazing. I want to know what you're wearing. And they're like, oh, it's Versace. And I'm like, oh, cool. So we went to Edgar's the other day, and we got the exact same perfume. This is the Versace EDP, not the EDT, because EDTs don't last as long. But this is the Christmas one. Like around Christmas time they do like bundles. Is this a bundle? I don't know, but it's usually like the perfume, a lotion, and something else. I don't know, but yeah, this is how it looks. How beautiful. This is so Versace, right? Like over the top obnoxious packaging. It's gold. I can see myself in it. It's lovely. It's a huge box. And then inside, oh, it smells amazing. You can smell the perfume already. You get this toiletry bag, lovely toiletry bag, 100 mils, yes. So you get the perfume. It smells amazing. Just go into Edgar's and smell it. I love it. It has a bit of a flowery scent to it. I don't like flowery scents, but this I can do. So it has a perfume in there, and then also has the luxury body lotion. Probably smells like the perfume. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so the Versace perfume, we purchased it for 1.6. Yes, 1.675. That's how much it costs for this bundle, and original price is 1.6 for the perfume alone. So this was a great deal. I love that. But that's all the toiletries, and I think I have enough footage to make this into one video. So this is part A of my haul. This is just the toiletries section, and then the part B will be the clothes. So if you want to see the clothes portion of this haul, then stick around. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get notified when I post that video. You can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat just to kind of get because I do announce on there when I'm posting which video. So if you're interested in seeing the clothes section, then definitely follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Very active on all three of those. And I will see you guys in the clothing portion. Bye!